Volkswagen brand, Mr. Thomas Scheffer.
Hello.
Good to see you.
Hello.
Yeah. So, Thomas, if we look at the fiercely competitive mid-size SUV market, how does this specific model tackle this high-volume segment while making the new innovations accessible to a broader public?
Yeah, the T6 is the first model of our ID AURA series from FAW Volkswagen. And it's a very important model for the brand as it is very close to the heart of Volkswagen, making innovation accessible for everyone. And the ID AURA T6 is a full electric mid-size SUV, which is a huge segment here in China. And that is precisely reflected in its design and in its features. It follows our new China design DNA, natural upright lines and a practical body shape with generous space for the entire family. And on the intelligence side, the model is marking the next milestone for the Volkswagen in China. It's the first SUV to be equipped with our China electronic architecture, the CEA. And it will be our first electric model to offer LiDAR-based Level 2 advanced driving assistance developed by Horizon, our joint venture of CARIAD China and Horizon Robotics. And I cannot wait to see and drive this one here on the road.
Yeah, beautiful. We just saw the new ID AURA 9X, ID UNIX 08 on stage, and now it's the ID AURA T6. So how does this diverse portfolio fit into the broad joint venture roadmap and the overall scale of Volkswagen's NEV journey?
Now, the ID AURA T6 completes the first wave of our product offensive alongside the ID AURA 9X and the ID UNIX 08. These three models are from three joint ventures, different characters, one Volkswagen. The Volkswagen brand in China is going all in with new products and new technologies. And these three models showcase how we are going to serve customer needs excuse me, with our diverse portfolio in China. And they're only the start of our biggest product offensive here in China. We are launching 13 new NEV models this year and more than 30 new NEV models by 2029 across all model families of ID AURA, ID AURA, and ID UNIX. And to reflect the dynamics of the Chinese market, we are clearly committed to electrification with flexible powertrains spanning from battery electric to plug-in hybrid and range extender vehicles. We combine German engineering with local innovation, and the result is 100% true Volkswagen at China speed.
Oh, that's incredible. So scaling up to a 30-model portfolio definitely requires an unprecedented pace of innovation, right?
Yeah, exactly. And to show you that pace, I've brought a little something else with me today. Do you want to see it?
Yeah, of course I do. I think the audience would do as well. But before that, let me give a quick summary of this beautiful car. So, ID AURA T6 受众是非常广泛的这种中型的
Yes, a broad audience as a mid-sized SUV. It's designed in China based on the CA architecture and equipped with Horizon-developed ADAS. And according to Thomas, we have different powertrains from different series so as to satisfy diverse market needs in the Chinese market. Its delivery at China speed is all in for the new.